What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Cooking with
AVE
and E. Today we're gonna be cooking
crawfish etouffee.
Are y'all ready? You ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, so as y'all know, man, we from the NO, man. So we about to show y'all how to cook, bro. You feel me? Y'all don't even really know how to cook like that, bro. I don't even know where y'all from, but y'all don't even know how to cook. I don't know what half of this stuff is, but you know what I'm saying? Mom finna lead the way. And we finna cook. We finna show y'all how to get down.
So we're gonna need first our season. We have a red bell pepper, green onions, parsley, 4 stalks of celery. This is garlic that's already been minced. We have crawfish, garlic powder, onion powder, rosemary, thyme, Tony sachets. This is just dried parsley flakes. Salt, 2 sticks of butter, bay leaves, flour for our roux, and jasmine. If you don't got jasmine rice,
it's poo. Right.
Yes, this is the best rice ever.
And whatever else you gotta say is cap.
The crawfish, and it's frozen, although it is packed, it is still from, this better be, yeah, it's from Ville Platte. It's from Louisiana. Alright. So we still got Louisiana crawfish.
Make sure y'all screenshot, go copy it.
Okay, and then we're gonna sit this in a glass bowl. Let me get the bowl. We're not actually rinsing off the crawfish because we wanna keep that fat in there. That's what's gonna make it taste good. We're just gonna sit it in here so we can make sure we get it all. And
yeah, y'all take notes.
I'm gonna pour some water in this bag because I want to get all that fat from here too. Just enough just to shake it up.
So you putting water in the bag?
Just in the bag, yeah, so I can get the rest of that.
Alright, so she putting the water in the bag for the fat.
It's already cleaned and peeled, but that little yellow stuff you see, that's the good fat that you want down in there.
Alright.
Just to get that fat off the crawfish tail. Alright. Hey, let me put my apron on.
Stop. Like, they gotta read it. This is gonna be delicious. This shit will be delicious. No. Yeah, rate me 1 to 10 real quick. How I look? I think I look GQ too smooth. You feel me? I look like I'm about to write a book or something.
Alright, so we just gonna set the crawfish on the side while this is setting. We're gonna chop up our seasoning. Where's your chopping board?
What's up?
We
sharing a chopping board.
No, this is not just me cooking and you watching. I'll do the celery because it gotta be minced. You can do this and watch your fingers.
Talking to a bro.
And while you do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 sticks of butter in our pot. Right here. Turn the fire on. We're gonna melt the 2 sticks of butter in this pot right here.
Hey, hold on. I don't care what nobody be talking about. Put it on hot to cook faster.
No. Some things take time. Alright. How many onions have you ever chopped before, Eric?
0.
Yeah, we can tell.
I don't care that. These look good. Symmetrical and all. Ooh. Alright, y'all. I'm starting to cry.
Yeah, that's stink.
You need to bow out from this one? Well, I'll let you chop up the once it starts cooking, the aromas.
Oh, that's good?
That's good enough.
Yeah, y'all see my butter.
And so this gonna have to all cook down once we add the bell pepper for like about 30 minutes so it gets translucent. And then we'll add the flour. So this is rosemary. You can so a tablespoon of rosemary. And then we're gonna add bay leaves in there. Now, if you could find, some people don't like the whole bay leaf in there, but if you could find ground bay leaves, is perfect. All right, so that's a tablespoon at a time. All right, and bay leaves. I just leave them whole because they're easier to pick out, but if they ground bay leaves. And this is garlic. I'm gonna add that in. It's frozen because I had a big jar that was already peeled that I got from Costco. And I went and minced all these things of garlic so I could have a quick little easy pack to grab when it's time to cook.
One, two, one. 1, 2, 1. You feel me? 1, 2, 1. And then you do a flip over. So it's 1, 2, 1. Flip it. Back around. Flip it.
Now, do you know that pot get hot? Ooh.
You just cut me, bro.
Baby, I'm sorry. Mommy so.
Alright, so
Oh man, look at that.
we got, this is red bell peppers. You feel me? Let me talk to y'all like I know what I'm talking about. So this red bell peppers. I can't eat bell peppers on my own no more after what happened to me this season. The team tradition was to eat a whole bell pepper. I was on the toilet the whole time. I didn't even eat. Back to this, you feel me? Y'all can see that it looks real good, real scrumpy.
Creole seasoning. This is the best.
Tablespoon or a teaspoon?
A tablespoon.
So a teaspoon of that.
A tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
But when we say sprinkle the pot, it's just you go from right to left. No matter how big the pot is, that's just what I do. Alright.
Well, you ain't telling what that was.
That was garlic powder. Ooh,
Oh,
crap.
alright. So
Don't need no mess.
garlic powder, tablespoon.
And I'm just about to sprinkle the pot. Right here.
So one was onion powder, one was garlic.
And this was the onion powder because I couldn't get that top off. Like this.
Alright, so now it's getting mixed in right now. And how long is it gonna take?
I said about 30 minutes. It's already been, so I just set the timer for like 15 more minutes. But see how it's getting translucent and it's cooking down?
Alright, y'all. So once you get to this point, put it on there for about 16, 15 minutes.
Well, actually we need to add, make our roux. And you can make a roux in a separate pot, but I already got enough dishes over there to wash. I ain't trying to dirty up no extra pot. So normally when I do my roux, I do a same pot roux. Whatever I'm cooking everything down in. And that way you get all the flavor in your roux as well.
What you about to do?
Make the roux.
What you about to do that in that?
No, in a pan. So this is a ½ cup. I'm gonna start off a ½ cup first, but I'm gonna use a full cup. Because we have to make a gravy. Then I'm gonna do another half and let this start to cook down. I know it looks kind of mushy and gross right now, but it's gonna be good. Put this top on, and then in the meantime, in between time, I am going to season the crawfish. Okay, while it's sitting in that water and getting that fat off. Let's see, 13 minutes. And because there's flour in there, we can't not pay attention to it because it could get burned. And we could burn our roux. All right. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water, just enough to soak it. So now I'm gonna add Tony Sasheries, and I guess that was like maybe maybe a teaspoon. Sorry. Most of the time when I cook, I don't measure nothing. So when I get, when people ask me for a recipe, sometimes I just have to actually measure it.
Alright, so I got the accents, you feel me? And I'm finna put what, a tablespoon?
Not a tablespoon, a teaspoon.
Alright, y'all, so I got me, you know what I mean, a teaspoon of the accents, you feel me? Alright, so we got the cayenne pepper, you feel me? We're about to sprinkle just a little bit.
Cayenne pepper.
Not too much, but a little bit.
Some onions.
Onions.
Alright, you want to stop.
Grandma would say it. Onions.
Alright, that's it.
You gotta put an extra dab.
Oh.
You feel me? Whenever you think it's not enough, put an extra little dab in there. You feel me?
But you can always add anything to taste. Once you put it in, you can't take it away. Okay, now we're gonna add this to here and while it cook down some and get more of see how it's thickening up. Not gonna be this thick. We're gonna add more water to it. I'm gonna go to see how we do it. And since I have to make a larger pot, because I have to feed more people, that's why I use a cup of flour for the roux. That was just half. And let me let it start cooking. Okay.
So you just gotta wait?
Just gotta wait. We have 6 minutes and then we'll check the color. The rice is already done and then we'll plate it up. Now the timer went off and this is, I added the rest of the water that was in here to get it more of the consistency that I want, not the color that I want. This is too blonde for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this kitchen bouquet and I'm gonna start off with a half a teaspoon. Ooh, look like a little bit more than a half. And let's see how this is, and then I'm gonna taste it and see what else I need to add to it. Okay, it's getting there. Let me. Let's see. It smells very good, but I do have to taste it because I know I added more water and that extra flour in there, so I know. Let's see. And this is fresh parsley. Really though?
Alright guys, the most interesting man in the world.
Now.
Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Now.
What you got?
I'm old enough.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this first video of cooking with
AVE
and Eve.
Oh, mine and Eve.
Okay, we can do that.
Oh, whatever. Yeah. This is fun.
Stay tuned for this series. I'm gonna make a whole just another channel series, and then this video also gonna be on my mom's channel. Go subscribe to her channel. And
what's my channel?
You tell me your channel.
Hebert and Company. HEBERTAND Company. You can find me on Instagram. What else? YouTube.
Yeah, I'll be right.
Facebook. Okay, he's gonna put it down here somewhere.
And then the Instagram. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Make sure you
thank y'all so much. And thank you, baby. This was fun.
Yeah, it was
this
fun.
What you gotta do? Spend time with mommy?
Yeah, it was fun.
Gotta make a video?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll see you on the next video, guys.
Peace.
Go.